Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. You have your phone, passcode, and Snapchat open. Once in Snapchat, tap your avatar and then the gear icon to enter settings. Make sure the app is updated. This avoids missing toggles. While in settings, scroll for privacy, security, or lock-related options. These are where Face ID controls live. If you don't see a Snapchat-specific Face ID option yet, you'll switch to the phone's system settings next to finish the removal. Now disable Face ID at the system level. This ensures Snapchat can't use it anymore. On iPhone, go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, then Other Apps and switch Snapchat off. On Android, open Security or Biometrics, find Face Recognition or App Lock, and remove Snapchat's permission. Once done, return to Snapchat settings and turn off any internal app lock or face require toggles. This prevents duplicate protections. Make sure to confirm prompts with your passcode so the changes are saved. Finish by force closing Snapchat and restarting your phone, then open Snapchat and verify it asks for passcode rather than Face ID. If Snapchat still attempts biometric unlock, clear the app cache or uninstall and reinstall the app to remove lingering settings. If problems persist, temporarily disable device Face ID entirely to rule out system-level enforcement and then re-enable features you want. Key tip: if nothing works, contact Snapchat support with device model and OS version for targeted help. This speeds up resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.